Credit scores. What's real and what's not? Well, they're all real, folks. It just depends on what you're trying to do with your credit and the impact it will have on the process. So here's a quick overview for you. It's very important to know that when you go online and you look at your credit score, that model that's driving that particular score is different from when a home lender pulls your credit and gets your credit report. So there's a very big discrepancy between what you're seeing online for yourself and what the lender is gonna see when we go through the pre-approval process and obtain your credit report. And the reason for that is, well, there's just a lot of different scoring models that exist. So there's different algorithms that drive those different models, and it really varies depending on the type of creditor that's reviewing your credit. So, for example, if you're going to apply for a credit card, that scoring model looks different than if you're applying for a home loan, which of course looks different than if you're going to purchase a car and you need to finance that. So the point is, all scoring models are not created equal. So I know, right? You're probably asking, how do I know my real credit score? And I think, those online credit monitoring services, they're fine for a general idea of what's going on with your credit score for the most part. But just know, when you go to purchase a home or you're going to finance a car or obtain a new credit card, there will be a variance in what the actual score is. And so on the home lending side, just know that it's going to be the middle credit score out of the 3 major bureaus that the lender is going to use for your pre-approval. And lastly, folks, just remember, it's never ever too early to start the pre-approval process, so that if there is a surprise on your credit report, we have time to correct it and ensure that you're getting the best available rate for your particular scenario.